Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to upload a video straight to your Shopify store and add it right into your product description. This is a great way to showcase your products, add demonstrations, or make your pages more engaging for visitors. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're inside, look for the Products tab and click on it. From the drop-down menu, choose Files. This is where you can upload any media you want to include on your store, images, PDFs, or, in this case, videos. Next, click on the Upload Files button. Choose the video you want to include in your product description from your computer. Make sure the file size and format are supported. Shopify works best with MP4 files and smaller sizes for smoother playback. Once your video is uploaded, Shopify will generate a unique link for that file. Go ahead and copy that link, because we'll need it in the next step. Now, head back to your product description editor. Click inside the text box where you want the video to appear. For example, before the key features section or near the top of the page. Then, click the video icon or switch to the HTML view of the description. This is where you'll insert your video code. Paste the following HTML snippet into the code editor. It's super simple. It looks like this. Video controls equals controls. Style max width 100%. Height auto then source src equals and paste the link you copied earlier. Followed by type equals video MP4. Close it off with the video tag, basically. You're just replacing the part that says your URL goes here with your Shopify video link. Once that's done, hit the insert video button or save your changes. When you preview the product page, you'll now see your video playing directly in the description area, complete with playback controls. It automatically adjusts to fit the page layout, so it'll look great on desktop and mobile. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded and embedded a video directly into your Shopify product page. It's a quick and easy way to make your listings more dynamic and help your customers connect with your products better. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on how to add YouTube or Vimeo videos instead. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.